Hello there pretty faces, welcome back to my channel. Today you can see I'm all bare skin, nothing on my face, not even product, not makeup, because today I'll be doing a budget friendly skincare routine for my budget queen. I'm a budget queen, but I do agree that you still need to look good while on a budget. You guys are gonna think this is weird. So I'm just gonna like share my skincare routine, but in between also give some tips, if that makes sense. Because it's in the morning and before I put on makeup, I have a different skincare routine to my night routine. So we're gonna start off with this Neutrogena acne proving gel cleanser. What I like about this cleanser, it is very gentle on my skin and it gives me the soothing and the refreshing feel that I want on my face. So okay, my face is dry, completely dry. So what I do is I pump a bit on my finger like that, rub it, and then I just rub it on my face, on dry face. So the reason why I put this gel cleanser on my skin while it's dry is because I feel like it's able to cleanse my skin the way that I want it to, then first damping my skin and then putting the gel cleanser on, because I feel like when I do that, it doesn't really get all the dirt out of my skin. I mean, like, everybody has a different skincare routine that they do, but this is mine. So right now you can see that it's getting into my skin. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to wash my face and then I'll be back. So I just finished rinsing off my skin, and as you guys know, I prefer my skin to air dry. But also another tip that I'm just sharing, I'm sure most of you guys do it already, is I rinse off my skin with warm water, and then after that I apply cold water to close the pores, because like it is a skincare routine, you want to have nice skin. Some of us are on the road to flawless skin. So yeah, so my face is gonna air dry right now. Now I'm gonna go in with the oil-free acne stress control, and this is also from Neutrogena. What I like about this toner, it treats acne even before it emerges, eliminates oil and shine, and refreshes and smooths. And that's kind of what I need, because must say this has really helped me with my acne, and I have combination skin, so it eliminates the oil and shine, which really helps me a lot. My face is toned, it is done. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Pond's normal to dry skin. And the reason why I do this, once again, is because I have a combination skin. The reason why I'm using a normal to dry moisturizer on my face is because I use a toner that is oily, that controls oil and shine, where this is for normal, where the moisturizer is for normal to dry skin. And because I have a combination skin, this is the best combination you'll ever need. It's almost done, hey? I'm not gonna lie, it's almost done. And that is it. This is my easy, budget-friendly skincare routine that keeps my skin in top shape without breaking the bank, and still I'm able to enjoy the way my skin looks without makeup. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Till I see you next time. Bye.